Body 10, go get this shit off of BrokenSlogan.com. Yo, I don't even know. I'm like from this area. My daughter was born in Lexington, Kentucky. So, and I've been in Lexington and Frankfurt, yo. I got much love for the capital. Yo, it's much love to your city. It's much up to this place. And right now, this is Spoken Down. Yeah,
you see my chicken pie sitting fat 100 miles down the whip with an ample, bubbling in that Chinese sample. Gold nugget sitting on the mantle. On the sunny side while she struggle with this white boys land up. West Coast boy when I'm surfing through the channel. So which one of y'all niggas is from gas and colors? White North Slaughter when I tune in. Never cut that black box off. Patrick you in. Jumpman shoe in. Front clear you win. If not you will. Go by the new house. Big tread dancing. Next spot. Camping with the back seat. Driving and we tripping on the mansion. Feeling like a hand swing. Your tempo. Do my sadness. Me and Brooks in the art. Show you my passion. Nothing to keep up. Pro champ. Cassius. New memory. Like no time about the places that I'm there. Yeah. And you blow it in. Yeah. Do something crazy that won't even believe it. Have a hell of a night. Take it to Vegas and need a hot text and break speak. Come and kick it. Hard enough to scratch waiting. Yeah, to kick you down your road. Take it whatever. Earn the stripes. They can show you what they like. Exit off that turnpike. When your turn might not come up. The third in your life. And hit home. Grab one tag twice. Close that